How to set low power mode on iPhone automatically. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Navigate to the Automation tab at the bottom and tap on New Automation. From the list for the automation, scroll down and select Battery Level. On the next screen, set a condition. Then adjust the slider and select the option for when the battery falls below 50%. After that, tap on Next. Now you need to choose what happens when the condition is met. Tap on New Blank Automation. Use the search bar at the top to search for Set Low Power Mode. Then tap on Set Low Power Mode. This action is automatically set to turn low power mode on. Now tap on Done in the top right corner to save the automation. The automation is now complete. From this point on, whenever the iPhone's battery level drops below 50%, it will automatically turn on low power mode. Following these steps, you can easily set low power mode on an iPhone automatically.